Elderly man gone missing since Sunday in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 81-year-old Wilbert Gabidon of Boghole District, James Hill in Clarendon, has been missing since Sunday, November 26. He is of brown complexion, built and about 165 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Frankfurt police are that Mr. Gabidon was last seen at home wearing a green long-sleeve shirt, khaki pants and a pair of brown slippers. All efforts to locate him since then have been unsuccessful. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Wilbert Gabidon is being asked to contact the Frankfield Police at 876-904-4507, the Police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.